Robo, the robot. I have a mystery box for you. Guess what's inside? It's something you use every day. It's a computer. But how does it work? Let's find out. We'll explore the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the computer brain. Welcome to Kiddo Tech. Let's explore the amazing world of computers. What is computer? A computer is a smart machine that helps us learn, play, and create. Computer parts. The monitor. The monitor is like a TV screen. It shows pictures, videos, and games. The keyboard. The keyboard is for typing words and numbers. The mouse. The mouse helps you click, drag, and play games. The CPU. The computer's brain. The CPU is the brain of the computer. Great job! Want to learn more? Like and subscribe now for more fun tech videos.